Roof panels on the lorry build, and we're just fitting some, well, I'm just fitting some secret fixings. So basically there's a little holder like so. The roof boards will then have the little secret fixing attached, and that will then slide hopefully into that little clip there. It's the first panel up. Those are then secured in. We can still get all of our... Oh, I'm not in properly. My first one is not in properly. So I need to re-jiggle that one. That's not in properly, even though it feels really tight. It's not actually locked in, so I need to get that one redone. But I can get my nice insulation then in between there. We can run wiring in between there. And the idea for the roof is that we've got a section of leather panels all running down here. Same then this side, so halfway, and then down the middle is going to be like a feature panel. First we cover the roof panels in an upholstery foam. We then cut the leather effect material down to size, and that is the first sheet done. I'm hoping that the creases in the material, we can either iron those out or they'll literally just come out naturally now. So first panel up, and yeah, it transforms it. Quite a complete difference. You can't really see on the camera how good it actually looks. It looks far better in reality. So 2 panels now up. First part of the roof is done. Yeah. Roof panels. So these are the roof panels, and then we didn't actually show you this one being made, but the other one's just down here on the floor, made exactly the same as the other ones, so it's just the same boarding, wrapped with the foam. So foam all stuck to it first, same as these side panels, and then wrapped in that material. So last bit to do, we're just going to get the spotlights in over on this side here, so they can go in. All of our wall boarding to sort of start making sort of the bathroom area, the other cupboards area. So we've got an end panel here that's going to go up for the fridge to sit in, a little bit of panelling around here for the oven to sit in, and then an end panel across that end there that'll just sort of house the control panel and different bits and pieces like that. So that is pretty much ready now to accept that. So hopefully towards the middle of this week they're all going to be coming. Other wiring hanging through the roof. Hopefully I can remember what all of this is. Most of it has been tagged up with sort of what's what. So that is a 12 volt for the bathroom. We've got, as I said, the lighting, power into the luton, so they will then be fished through. We've got cabling at the back of here, which is sort of power for the fridge. So we've got the mains power coming in for the fridge, and then we're going to put a hot water tap in for the kitchen, so that's going to have a boiling hot water tap. So coming along, getting there slowly. So starting to come together. We've just put in the bathroom wall, so that is what is going to divide the bathroom wall. We've got the end cabinet, that's got to, this end panel here has got to come back out, and then we've got to trim the edge So the edge of this has got to be routed out. We've got a little bit of damage on this piece here, so this is going to be reformed and reshaped, and then we'll route out that edge. We've got a piece for this section here, which is over there. We've got vinyl Richie getting ready to go down in the bathroom floor, and then the floor for the bathroom is in, so we can start putting it back together. So you don't get more custom than this. I was struggling with the fridge vents. I couldn't get anything the right size for the gap that we needed. So we've actually cut down the fridge vents. I'm going to glue them together. Hopefully my cuts are nice. And then once they've been glued and fixed in, fitted, hopefully you won't notice, and the nice little mini fridge vents and the mini vents are fitted. So I can now try and glue those up. Could cut another one into the top section, so hopefully that is going to do the job for our fridge. So, bit of work done in the washroom. So we've now got a shower. Got no roof on the washroom, but we've got a shower. So we can now get the roof on. We can then start to panel out the rest of the walls in the waterproof panels. Plumbing in for the sink's just got to get the waste in. So sink can now pretty much go in. Bit of plumbing for the shower, so that's just got to, just waiting for some fittings for the tap basically. Toilet just needs plumbing in, so hopefully another couple of evenings and we'll have a fully functional washroom. So we have an outdoor kitchen, everything all cut out, marked out, so hopefully it actually fits when we put it in place.